Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner UV Sanitizing with HEPA Filter, a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle allergens, pet hair, dust, and much more. With a focus on versatility and ease of use, this vacuum aims to provide an efficient, thorough clean without the heavy lifting or complex setup of larger models. The Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers a range of features intended to meet the needs of allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone looking for a quick, effective clean for delicate fabrics. With a 350 watts motor, this vacuum delivers solid suction power, making it capable of picking up dust, crumbs, and embedded dirt from a variety of surfaces, including bedding, carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. It features a HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns. Perfect for those with allergies or asthma. The inclusion of a washable HEPA filter adds convenience, allowing you to maintain the vacuum without needing to purchase replacements frequently. A 0.4-liter dust cup provides ample space for collecting debris, though it will need to be emptied regularly to maintain suction performance. One standout feature is the Auto UV Shutoff, designed to deactivate the UV light when lifted off the surface. This ensures both safety and peace of mind, especially when handling sensitive materials like bed sheets or couches. Additionally, it includes an overheating protection system and anti-liquid suction to prevent clogging, making it ideal for both dry and light wet cleaning. Weighing in at just under 5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, whether you're cleaning your mattress, upholstery, or even inside your car. As for battery life, the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner doesn't rely on batteries, but instead uses a standard 6.3-foot power cord, providing a stable and consistent source of power for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. This cord length should be more than sufficient for most cleaning tasks, although larger rooms or spaces may require moving the vacuum between outlets more frequently. In terms of real-world performance, I found that it handled embedded dirt and pet hair on both carpet and hard surfaces fairly well. The HEPA filtration proved effective at trapping allergens, which was noticeable during use, especially if you suffer from seasonal allergies or dust sensitivities. On softer surfaces like bedding and upholstery, the suction was gentle enough to avoid damage, but still powerful enough to lift dirt and pet hair from the fabric. One of the most practical features here is the set of attachments included with the vacuum. The small motorized brush proved useful for cleaning smaller areas, like car interiors or tight corners of couches, without losing suction. It also worked well on stairs, where more powerful models might struggle with maneuverability. However, I did notice that it was slightly less effective on thicker rugs, where deeper suction power is required. If you have particularly high-pile carpets, this may not be your go-to cleaner for heavy-duty tasks. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this model. On the positive side, its portability and lightweight make it an easy choice for anyone who needs a vacuum that won't strain the arms or shoulders. The UV light feature is a nice touch, especially for sanitizing surfaces like mattresses, which can harbor bacteria or dust mites. The washable HEPA filter is another bonus, as it saves you from buying replacements over time and keeps maintenance straightforward. Its design is simple and functional, with a clear emphasis on ease of use. On the downside, there are a few areas where the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner could be improved. While it's a solid choice for smaller cleaning jobs, it may struggle with larger tasks or larger homes. The 0.4-liter dust cup, while convenient, does require frequent emptying, especially if you're using it on multiple surfaces. The cord, though long enough for most cleaning jobs, might feel limiting for those used to the freedom of cordless vacuums. Another drawback is the lack of additional attachments for deep cleaning thick carpets or larger spaces, which may limit its overall versatility in bigger homes. When it comes to value for money, the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers a lot of specialized features at a mid-range price point. It's not the most powerful vacuum on the market, but its compact design, UV light, and HEPA filtration make it a great option for people with allergies, pet owners, or anyone who needs to sanitize soft surfaces regularly. If you're mainly cleaning upholstery, mattresses, and smaller areas, this could be a perfect fit. However, for people who need a vacuum for full home cleaning with heavy-duty performance on carpets or large homes, you might want to consider models with greater suction power and larger dust cups. When compared to other vacuums in this price range, the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner holds its own in terms of portability, safety features, and its targeted cleaning ability for delicate fabrics. However, alternatives like the Black & Decker handheld vacuum might offer a bit more power and versatility for similar tasks. While the Dyson V8 might be a better option if you need something with longer runtime and better performance on thicker carpets. In terms of build quality, the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner feels well constructed, with solid plastic and durable components that should stand up to regular use. The lightweight design doesn't sacrifice robustness, and the removable dust cup is easy to clean. Maintenance is fairly simple, with the washable HEPA filter being the only major upkeep required, aside from emptying the dust cup regularly. It's easy to handle and doesn't require any specialized care beyond the standard cleaning of filters and brush rolls. Customer support for this model appears to be generally reliable, with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. The fact that it's designed exclusively for the US and Canada limits its use in other regions, so it's important to check the voltage compatibility if you're outside of these areas. Overall, the Candy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner UV Sanitizing with HEPA Filter is a solid choice for those looking to address allergens, pet hair, and light messes in smaller spaces. It's easy to use, light to carry, and equipped with a suite of features that make it a safe and effective tool for targeted cleaning. However, if you're after something more powerful for large areas or heavy-duty jobs, it may fall short. As always, consider your needs before making a decision, and weigh this vacuum's capabilities against your home's cleaning demands. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link to get this vacuum in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Let us know your thoughts or any questions you have about this vacuum in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy cleaning. And remember, when it comes to home care, there's always more inside Reviews Inside TV.